Hello guys, let's go ahead and see how we can reset auto numbering, otherwise auto increment numbers in MySQL. So go to localhost/phpMyAdmin and then select the database here. Go to the SQL and then here you have to type alter. Maybe you can type in capital letters so it will be easier to read. Alter table, and then the table name here I'm going to say table name is this one, revenue, and after that you have to say auto underscore increment is equals to 1. So by adding this you can set your auto increment starting value as 1 in the table. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.